lovies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lydia Isaac. Hope you all are doing great. I miss you all. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking on my video. So guys, as you can see, we have this super nutritious food, okra. So guys, I'm just going to show you how I cut my okra and how I make sure they are perfectly cut and quickly. So what you're going to do before slicing your okra, you're going to give it a very nice good wash to make it clean. Then you're going to chop off the head and the bottom part. You're going to make sure you slice your okra carefully. So guys, this step is very easy and quick for me, as you can have as much okra as your hand can contain. I'm going to show you again. So at this moment you can see I'm having 4 okras in my hand. You can have as much as you want as long as your hand can hold it. So I just take off the head and I'm just going to slice my okra slowly and carefully. You can see that is so quick and easy. Okay, so guys, as I'm slicing my okra, before I show you the second method I love to slice my okra also, I'm just going to give you some healthy benefits of okra in case you've been missing out, you've not been enjoying this superfood. I'm going to give you some of the healthy benefits, and I'm also going to be posting a video on how you can make your okra soup. Okay, so guys, okra is very low in calories and it has a very high dietary fiber content. It's very high in potassium, vitamin B, vitamin C, folic acid and calcium. Okay, so guys, I bet you if you've been missing out on this super healthy food that the health has given to us to enjoy, come on guys, I bet you have to start making okra. You can make it in different ways. You have to add it to your diet, to your healthy meal, as it's going to be very beneficial to your body. Okay, so this is the second method I love to make my okra. This is my best method. I tell you guys, this is my best method. I love to slice my okra. So I'm just going to use my grater and use the bigger part of it to make sure I grate my okra properly. So guys, when you're doing this moment, if you're new to grater, you're going to make sure you properly hold your okra so you're not going to hurt your hands. You're just going to make sure you do it carefully, as you don't want to grate your hand along with your okra. So guys, that is how I make my okra. That is how I slice my okra to come out quickly, as I don't want to spend all the time trying to chop my onion okra before making my okra soup. Sorry, I just said onion. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Till I see you on my next video. I love you guys. Thank you very much. So I'm ready to make my okra soup. I'm going to be dropping the video any moment from now. Do make sure you watch my okra soup recipe so you don't get to miss out on this superfood. Guys, if you've been missing out of okra, I bet you have to quickly grab your okra and start enjoying all the healthy benefits on this super yummy vegetable.